All right. 350. Greninja. Just got the 350. There's only one left at 350. There's one at 366, and there's another at the 380s. There's only 3 cards left at the Greninja. This beautiful piece of art is going to be in the 400s here pretty soon. There's only 3 left on TCG Player. So if I were you guys, if you could still snag it, this is a really good price. Not bad. I mean, I was telling you guys to get it when it was in the low 200s, and now here we are. A little over a month later, and yeah, it's already appreciated $100 in a month. So keep it up. I'm telling you guys, this card is going to be 400 soon. There's only 3 left on TCG Player. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Big Nasty out. Don't forget to like and follow. Peace.